Hi, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Basically, this little vlog is going to be like an ultimate beach vlog. Basically, just a beach day. If you've seen my last video, the last two beach days were not as expected. Sorry, my allergies are like so bad. I don't know why, but as I mentioned, the last two beach days weren't as expected. We went and it was high tide and we weren't able to swim, which was really a bummer because it's summer. Like, anyway, this morning I woke up and got ready and then I went to walk my dog. It is Sunday, so we are gonna go to church. I think the plan is coffee, church, then beach, or like lunch and then beach. This is my little outfit for right now. I'm wearing these like low-rise jeans. I have shorts to change into once we get to the beach, but that's what I'm wearing for church. And then I have this really cute shirt. I think it's from Hurley and my aunt and uncle got it for me, so thank you guys. I like it because it's like a t-shirt, so it's like, but it's shorter. It's not like an oversized t-shirt, but it's also not like a super fitted baby tee, so I feel very comfortable. So yeah, right now we're going to load some stuff up in the car and head to coffee and church, and I'll be bringing you guys along. At the beach. It's like sunny but also a little bit breezy, so we'll see if I can get it. But I just ate lunch. It was really good. I'm glad, like, it's like sunny. It's not super hot. It's like a little bit breezy, but definitely better beach weather than the other two times that I went. I thought I should give a what's in my beach bag. I bought some flip-flops for the beach. They're like surf style flip-flops, so I like them a lot. I had my water and my hat and my sunglasses. I have a book. This is Sunkissed by Cassie West. I barely started this, so I cannot give a consensus on whether it's good or not, but it seems very beachy. Like, it actually takes place on a lake. I don't know, it's summery, so. Next is a wet bag, and then I also have like a change of shorts and a really cute cover up. Okay, and here is a Turkish beach towel. I've never had a Turkish towel before, and I heard that they're really good. So this is what it looks like. It's like blue. It seems very thin, so I'm curious to see if this actually does a good job at drying you off. And then in my mom's bag, I have snorkeling items. I don't know if I'm actually gonna snorkel because, I don't know, it's like not closed off, and usually I don't snorkel like that. And then here is just my bag of toiletries. So I have like lotion. I have this. It's like body spray, but it's glittery, which I love. I have sunscreen for my face, lip products, a hair tie, and then I also have a hairbrush in there. So yeah, that's everything in my beach bag. Right now we're just gonna enjoy. Oh man. I just finished swimming right now. I'm going to lay out and dry a little bit. And then once I'm dry, I think I'm gonna do henna. And then once I put on the henna, I'm gonna probably read and tan a little bit more. Never been a tanner, so we'll see. I'm probably gonna overheat. Guys, this is my beautiful mommy. Hi guys, basically it's like a whole lot later. It's like 10 o'clock and I got home and showered and then forgot that I was vlogging, but that was basically my little beach day. I know this vlog was probably short. I hope you enjoyed though, and honestly it might be one of the last times I go to the beach this summer, so I really enjoyed it and just soaked in the fun. It was honestly a redemption from the last few beach days that I've had. It was honestly so enjoyable and I'm just so glad that I was able to go and enjoy that with my family. Yeah, so that's gonna be all for this video. Let me know if you have any more video ideas or requests, and I'll see you guys in the next one.